Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Dee from crystalcraftswithdee. I have another unboxing to do for you today. This one is from OneDaySaving. So they reached out to me and asked me if I would like to review some more of their products, and I said of course. They are a really good company to deal with, and they have a huge range of all different crafty stuff, paint by numbers, diamond paintings, cross stitch, accessories. They've got quite a lot on there. So I've chosen 3 different things that I wanted to review for you. And that's down there. So I have an interesting little item I really want to check out. I have diamond painting and a cross stitch. So I'll get started on the cross stitch here. So this one here is a special drill diamond painting. It is a 30 by 30 centimeter. If I can just get that open. And of this series, there was quite a few different animals that you could choose from this, and I just really love the colors and the design. So that is it there, 30 by 30. It's a beautiful elephant. I just love it. So you've got your canvas, just a normal toolkit, and your drills. And so this here, 30 by 30. I love the design. I love the colors of the drills that they've used on this. It looks really, really cool, and I'm just pulling back that plastic just so I can get it to sit a bit flatter so we can have a look at it. There you go, that'll do. A little bit crooked, but never mind. So there you go. That is elephant, 30 by 30 centimeter. It has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different drills in there. It looks like there's some teardrops, some marquees, and some rhinestones as well. But that looks really, really good. I love these sort of little florally bits here all around the elephant. I just thought that was really, really pretty. I will zoom you in so you can have a closer look at that drill field. So in we go. You can see it's printed really, really well. There's no issues at all reading those symbols. Those little swirly bits, I just love them. They look so pretty. Just that little bit of detail. And coming up here to his ear, I love this. I think that's really cool. And some more of those swirly whirlies there. There's 2 symbol keys, 1 on each side. So there is one of them there, and it looks like it's very easy to read and to follow that. No problem at all. Okay, bring it to the center, and I will zoom you back out again. So out we go. And we will have a look at those drills. So drills come on these strips. If I can open it. Struggling. Here we go. Like I say, 10 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'll start off with this one here. So you've got some beautiful large round blue domed drills. Got some frosted pink drills with AB coating, so you got that extra shine. Some beautiful blue marquees, and I'm just looking at the backs on those. They look really, really good. I can't see any scratches on those. Got some larger round gold domes. Some very pretty crystal marquees. So they look really good. There's a scratched one right there, but the rest of them look pretty good. It's not unusual. And then onto our rhinestones. We have this lovely gray color. So that's that gorgeous charcoal color of the elephant. You have this beautiful greeny blue. That is gorgeous. Some clear. Some frosted AB yellow drills. And some red. Oop, that was my son's phone. Some red rhinestones. So they look really, really good. The backs of those drills look amazing. Beautiful clear colors. So that is item number 1. This is a gorgeous elephant special drill. How pretty is that? I think it's going to look amazing. Gorgeous. So that is item number 1. Item number 2 is a cross stitch. This one is a Joy Sunday, and I love this. I love foxes. I think this is the 4th or the 5th cross stitch I have of foxes. Absolutely beautiful. This one is a stamped cross stitch. It is 14 count, and it is 35 by 44 centimeters. 2 little foxes. I thought this was absolutely gorgeous. I love the colors and I love the design. So Enjoy Sunday cross stitch kits. It comes in this beautiful zip seal bag. On the back you have directions on how to cross stitch and wash your stamped cross stitch. This is a great little project bag actually, where you can take your stuff around. Keeps it clean. Alright, so you have canvas, colors, chart, let's have a look here, and the cover sheet. So that's, you can see that a bit better. I just love the pinks and the greens in the background. I think it's absolutely beautiful, those flowers. I think it's really well done with the shading and that. It's going to be quite impressive if it turns out like that on your actual canvas, but it's just amazing the depth and the shading in this. I think it's so beautiful. They have beautiful little faces. It's going to look amazing, and being 35 by 44 centimeters, that's a really nice size. So let's have a look at this canvas. So canvas is actually really soft. Really soft, actually. Which way's up? That way. Okay, so it looks like a lot of mumbo jumbo. There's a lot going on in here, actually. With the Joy Sunday, first off, the canvas is really nice, really soft. You've got these beautiful hemmed edges. It's such a nice touch. I really, really like that. And you've got your printed area there, and then you've got your symbols printed all down the bottom and up the side. This is 154 by 196 stitches. So there's actually quite a lot going on in there. I'm just going to have a bit of a look there, see if there's any confetti. Doesn't look like there's a lot of confetti, but it is quite detailed, which is not surprising. You can tell by the actual cover sheet. I'll zoom you in so you can have a bit of a closer look at that canvas. So in we go. And I'm sorry about the binging from my son's phone. So that looks really good. It's actually printed really well. Like I said, there's a lot of detail in there. You got sort of these bigger areas here, these areas here, and then you've got quite a bit of detail, especially in that background, which is not surprising. So that's actually printed really well. Don't think there'll be any issues reading those symbols. That looks pretty good, actually. All right, looks really good. All right, zooming you back out again. All right, and we will have a look at, where is it here? So this is the chart. Let me get him out of the road. So in your kit, you will get a chart, which includes your thumbnail there. So you can see it's actually just, if you have a look at that section there, look how many colors are in that section alone. So it's quite a lot of detail in this particular cross stitch. So if you were a beginner, I'd say this is probably a little bit of work, but it's possible. I mean, I jumped right in when I was a beginner. So, you know, if you want something to really sink your teeth into, this would be a good one to do it. That amount of detail, you're going to get that beautiful shading that it shows there in the illustration. So, yeah, by all means, beginner, intermediate, experienced. I think it's be really good for all levels. So you've got that bit there, you've got your chart there, so you can cross-reference it. And I'm just going to look and see. So it's all full stitches, so there's no back stitch in this at all. And there are 37 colors, so it's a really nice amount of colors. And you've got your DMC cross-reference there as well. So no doubt when I do this particular cross stitch, I will definitely be cross-referencing back to the chart on here just to make sure I've got the right color. I love how they've got it in numeric order. That makes things so much easier. But that looks pretty good. So we'll have a look at those colors. Colors come pre-sorted on these cards. There are 2 cards. And there's 2 needles there. Some of these colors. Okay, so So those colors there, they're nice and soft and nice and long. I love that. Haven't had any problem with Joy Sunday kits. They've been really, really good. And, oops. Those beautiful foxy colors. Those beautiful pinks. Really gorgeous, gorgeous colors. On to the other side, you've got some greens and some more pinks. Oops. They look absolutely gorgeous. Really beautiful threads. Really, really nice. So what I do usually, oops, when I start a cross stitch, I will go through and I will write the symbols along the top there above each color, just so I can easily cross-reference it with the graph. But that's sort of how I roll with that one. So absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous colors. All right, we'll bring him back out again. And that is such a good size too, so it is manageable. So there you go. Beautiful two little foxes. Absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, if it's something for a beginner that really wants to take a really good project on, go for it. I think it's absolutely amazing. It'll turn out beautiful, but yeah, I just think it'll just be amazing. Alrighty, on to the final item. Now this item here is well packed, I might say. Very well packed, actually. So this is, they've got a few different ones on their website. It's a needle threader. And I just love the picture on it. I thought it was so pretty. Really, really pretty. Oh yeah, it does have a magnet on it. Oh my gosh, I can't get into it. So it's very well packed. Oh my goodness, it's so gorgeous. So that's it there. It is a needle threader. Oh, how pretty is that? Can you see the glitter in it? Oh wow, that is amazing. I chose the hummingbirds because I just love the colors. It's quite big. I think it's about 5 centimeters in diameter, and it's got a larger hook up the top and a smaller hook down the bottom. And I was wondering if it was magnetic, and it is. So your needles will stick to it, which I absolutely love. So it's got dual purpose there. I love it. It's not too small, so it'd be harder to lose, which I lose everything. But I love that. How pretty is that? So they stay out. It's quite thin, but it's not too thin. Oh, I love that. How pretty. And it wasn't very expensive either. It's a really good price, and it's double-sided. I really like that. So I'm going to go get a needle, and I'm going to try to use it and thread my needle. So I'll be 2 seconds. Okay, so I've got just some red thread, so hopefully you can see that. And I've got my little needle. And all you do is you put that through the eye of the needle. I haven't got my glasses on, but anyway. And then you're going to get your thread. You're just going to loop it around there. And then you're just going to pull through. Too easy, eh? And I like how there's two different hooks on that. So you've got bigger one and smaller one, and it's thin enough to go through that really small eye of the needle. So that was really easy, actually. But how absolutely gorgeous is that? Does it? Yep, and it's magnetic as well. Woohoo! I love that. So pretty. Really, really pretty. So there you go. There are 3 absolutely gorgeous items that I got from One Day Saving. So beautiful cross stitch and this gorgeous special drill diamond painting, and of course this beautiful, absolutely gorgeous needle threader. How beautiful is that? 3 gorgeous items that I got from One Day Saving. So I will be doing videos, review videos on these 2 in the not too distant future. So I'll be doing that one, and then with the cross stitch, because it's got quite a lot going on in there, I might just do like a little corner just to sort of show you how it's coming up and how that shading's going, and if I have any issues with it. So keep your eyes peeled for those review videos in the not too distant future. I'd like to thank One Day Saving very much for sending these out to me for review. They're absolutely gorgeous. Really, really good company to deal with. I will put the links to these guys in the description box below. So I'd like to thank OneDaySaving very much for sending these out to me for review. And I'd like to thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you next time. Bye!